Hey, welcome to Satisfy Personal Finance. Today I'm going to talk about a very popular topic, and it is how to get cashback and miles on your insurance premiums. Now, one of the reasons why credit cards exist is to encourage people to do discretionary spending, which is to spend on the spur of the moment. So if you are using it to pay for things like bills and insurance premiums, there are usually no rewards for it, as it falls under the exclusions of many credit card terms and conditions. So how do we get around this, and how do we get some rewards from paying our insurance premiums? I'll categorize insurance policies into two different types. One, policies that accept credit cards directly, and two, policies that don't accept credit cards directly. Now, it's possible to get rewards from either form of policies, so watch on to find out how you can get some cashback as well as miles from these policies. If your policy accepts credit card payment directly and they accept Amex, you can use the Amex True Cashback card for 1.5% cashback, or the UOB Absolute Cashback card for 1.7% cashback. So it's pretty straightforward. You can get up to 1.7% cashback on these cards and you can sign up for them on my website. The problem is a lot of insurance companies actually do not accept Amex. But there is a way to get around this, and it is with our trusty GrabPay MasterCard. So what you do is you actually take the UOB Absolute or the Amex True Cashback card and then top up your Grab card for the cashback. And after that, you use your GrabPay MasterCard's number to pay your insurance policy. Now, there's a downside to this, which is you can only pay up to $5,000 at any one time, and within a month, you can only pay up to $10,000 because that's the limit of your GrabPay MasterCard. You also don't get any Grab points from insurance transactions with the GrabPay MasterCard, so you're only getting the cashback from topping up your wallet, which is better than nothing. Now, credit card terms and conditions can be updated and new exclusions can be inserted in, so please read the description below. I will try to update when there are new developments. And you can also subscribe to my Telegram group so that you can get informed of such changes. You can get cashback on your insurance premiums with Friz. And Friz is actually not a credit card but a prepaid wallet, which you can top up and then use a virtual number to pay for anything, including your insurance. You actually get 1.75% instant cashback on anything aside from AXS transactions and e-wallet top-ups. So this is actually very useful even for things like school payments, which a lot of credit cards also exclude. And of course, your insurance premiums do not fall under AXS or e-wallet top-up, so they also qualify for 1.75% instant cashback. In a world where cashback is awarded 1 or 2 months later, instant cashback is actually amazing because there's no doubt in your mind whether or not you qualified for the cashback, and of course, you get the money up front. There's also an excellent sign-up promo for Friz. If you use my link, you can actually get $5 on your first top-up as long as it's $10 or more. And then once you have hit $500 of spending, you actually get $20 cashback on top of the 1.75% cashback. So I think this is the best card to use for many people when it comes to their insurance premiums at the moment. Maybank cards at the time of recording actually do not exclude insurance premiums from their credit card rewards, generally speaking. And so you can actually use the Maybank Visa Infinite to get 1.2 miles per dollar. The problem is Visa Infinite actually requires an annual income of $150,000 per year, so not many people can qualify for that. You can look at the Maybank Visa Platinum card, which gives up to 3.33% cashback, but the catch is that you have to maintain a certain amount of spending for 3 months in a row. So if you want to get 3.33%, you either need to spend $300 consecutively for 3 months or $1,000 each month, again for 3 months. And then you will get $30 and $100 respectively. So if you spend too much, let's say $400 per month on the Maybank Visa Platinum card, you actually only still get $30 at the end of those 3 months, so you don't get 3.3% in that case. So if your spending is not too different from $300 or $1,000, this card is really ideal. Anything out of those amounts will not get you the full 3.33% cashback. You should also take note that many insurance companies actually increase the premium when you pay monthly rather than yearly. So something like this card might not get you as much cashback as you would like, because after getting a cashback, you actually still have to pay like maybe 2 to even 4% premium for paying monthly rather than yearly. So that's something you need to consider when you use this card. If your policy does not accept credit cards directly, can you still pay using credit cards? Yes, you can, and there are actually two methods. The first is by using your Grab card on AXS, which has a list of insurance companies that you can pay. And Grab card is actually accepted on AXS. So again, you get cashback by topping up your Grab card with your UOB Absolute or your Amex True Cashback card. And then you use your Grab card to pay through AXS. There's no Grab points, but again, you have already earned the cashback on topping up. In my previous video, I also talked about how you can use your Grab credits to pay now transactions, and therefore you can also use it to pay for insurance policies that allow you to pay using Pay Now QR code. You can watch the video here, or maybe not because I look horrible, right? Just top up your Grab with UOB Absolute or Amex True Cashback and then pay your insurance company's provided QR code. Another way of paying insurance policies that do not accept credit cards would be through iPayMy or CardUp. And these are services that allow you to pay for things that normally don't accept credit cards and still earn you some credit card rewards. Both charge a service fee of around 2%, so it only makes sense if your credit card gives you rewards that are in excess of that fee so that you actually earn something at the end of it. And of course, I have promo codes that will reduce the fee to 0 for your first payment, and you can see more details on my website and use it to earn some free cashback or miles on your first payment to your insurance policy or anything else such as a mortgage payment, condo maintenance fee, school payments. The list is actually quite endless as long as you can produce an invoice and the receiving party has a bank account that you can fast transfer to. CardUp and iPayMy will step in to help you use your credit card to pay these people. If you don't have any of these cards and services and you wish to sign up for them, I would appreciate you do it through my site. It will come at no extra cost to you, and usually you get extra goodies on top of what the bank offers. So head on to my site, and I thank you for letting me continue making finance content. If you like this video, please subscribe to my Telegram channel for more related content and great deals coming your way. Also, I appreciate every like and comment that y'all leave on the video because it helps more than you might think. As a small YouTube channel, I appreciate every single like and I usually reply to every comment that I get. I always strive to reply every single comment that I get on my videos because I appreciate the time that y'all took to write the comment. Now, if I don't respond, please don't be offended, right? Just maybe post another comment so that I can see it again and then respond to it. I've been getting a lot of DMs also, and a lot of them are very nice. They're saying, okay, your videos are interesting and things like that, okay, which I really appreciate. But when y'all ask questions, please do it in the comments because I think there are two purposes. One, right, other people might have the same question and they can actually get the solution, and we share knowledge this way. Number two, I think helping should be a two-way street. When y'all DM me, my video doesn't get boosted. I'm sorry, I have to be a bit more realistic here because I'm a small YouTube channel trying to make it bigger, and therefore I would really appreciate that y'all ask your questions directly in the comments below. Also, thanks for watching all the way here because how much of a video you watch actually also helps a video on YouTube. So I really thank you for listening to me ramble for almost 10 minutes now, and I'll see you next video. This video I also talked about how you can use your Grab to pay for. In my previous video I also